Are you still using such a multimeter? Sunshine has made pen-shaped multimeters. Special tip design. The pen on the market is like this. Sunshine is like this. Small and convenient, full-featured. Special fish clip line for negative electrode. Resistance measurement to ground. Non-contact induction measurement. Phase sequence measurement. On-off buzzer measurement. Frequency test. Capacitance measurement. Resistance measurement. AC voltage measurement. DC voltage measurement. Flashlight lighting. Suitable for multiple scene detection. Convenient to carry, necessary for maintenance.